Hi guys, it's VJ here and I'm going to teach you about how to create a website. So to create a website, we're going to be using a platform called as WordPress. Okay, but even before we start, now why should we have a website? Number one, it gives you the identity. If you want to be known to everybody right now, or if you want people to come to one particular place where they can know about you, where you can sell your course or you can sell your product, website is the best way to do it. And there is a lot of affiliate marketing which has come. So just bringing people to your website can actually help you to start earning. And number two, most importantly, you can earn at least 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh rupees every month by creating website to others. Now you can do this without even a single line of coding. Now that's what I'm going to teach you about it. So how much you can earn? So what kind of websites you can build? So I'm going to show you exactly what are different types of websites which you can build using WordPress and how much you can charge the customers. Okay. And I'm also going to teach you how to get your customers, because I know people will be like, I can't call someone, I will not ask anyone. Okay, so I can't do this marketing and all, and I can't beg to anyone to give me a chance, right? So there are still people who are not very good at selling or asking people. So what I'm going to do for you is, so I'm going to teach you a strategy where people will come to you and ask you to do a website. How many of you would like to learn that? Right? What if someone says, gives you the details of their phone number, email ID, and asking them to call you to make a website? How many of you will call? Put it in the comment box. Let me see that. So how many of you will call them if they come to you and ask you to do a website? So I'm going to teach you. I'm not just going to teach you, how to fish, but I'm going to teach you where to fish as well. Okay. So get ready. First, let me show you how much you can charge the customer. That is the most important one. Okay. So let's get inside. So now this is a basic corporate website for an IT company or for a normal private limited company. You can do a website like this, and this you can charge between 10,000 to 25,000 rupees. Okay, it's very easy to build, and this website was built without even a single line of coding. Okay, forget about line, not even a word of coding. Okay, so you can charge from 10,000 to 25,000 rupees. And the next one, this is for a food truck. You can do a food truck or a hotel or a restaurant where you can build websites and you can sell it for 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, this is without payment gateway and all those stuffs. Simple website with the menus and stuffs like that. And this is a personal blogger. If you're a writer, professor, faculty, trainer, this is like branding. So you can build a website for someone who's in like an author or someone or a professor, and you can charge from 7,500 to 15,000, even for corporate people or even for yourself. Or if you're a student, you need to have a website, because most of the companies right now, they ask for your website name. They ask for your website name. Okay, so you need to have a website for yourselves as well. So this one, and you can charge from 7,500 to 15,000 rupees. And then like events, any events, there are a lot of events which are happening right now. Like the one which is very popular right now is wedding websites. So you can make wedding websites from 10,000 to 25,000. It's going to be very simple, just adding the pictures and entering the venues and the timings in the website. That's all you're going to do in marriage. You can add the pre-wedding shoot, so which people can actually see it, and it is something which is very popular right now, and you can charge nearly 20 to 25,000 rupees for that. Okay, so that's the one. And then for a gym, we charge from 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. And the most important, I see a lot of people who start selling saris, and they have a restaurant, they have their own designing company. So what I want you to do is, you can create your own website and you can have your own e-commerce website. You can list up to 500 products in it, and if you want to build it for someone, you can charge up to 1 lakh rupees depending upon the the options they need. So you can integrate everything in it. You can integrate delivery. You can you add in the pin codes, customize the pin codes. You can add WhatsApp, SMS, email, refund option. Everything can be done using WordPress, and it's very easy to build. and you can charge, why not, you can charge even 1.5 lakh rupees depending upon the work you do. This is just for building the website, not to add products. If you're going to add products, you can charge more, even 100 rupees or 50 rupees for every product. Okay, so this is something which is very, very awesome. It's very, very easy, and that's why it's very important to learn about building websites, and that's what I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to teach you everything practically. Okay, are you ready for it? From the next video, I'm going to start the course straight away, and by end of this course, you will be able to build your own website, and you will also be able to build website for others. And I will also teach you how to market and bring in people to buy websites from you, or to to ask you to build websites for them. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for that. So get ready. I'll see you in the next video.